Alright guys, everybody keeps telling me to get a toaster oven. We got some toaster ovens here. $79. Wow. Sorry about that.
No, I'm there you go.
Oh wow. Yeah, you can bake a lot of stuff in this. You can bake, broil. I guess you can bake cookies in here too, I guess. Yeah, everybody keeps telling me to get one of these. 800 watts, 1800 watts, wow. I don't know, that's pretty nice. Yeah, I don't know what good. I don't know a good one from a bad one, you know. I never heard of this brand, but interesting. Huh. Yeah, I guess we'll have them on sale for Black Friday and get a good discount. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.